I'm meteorologist Laura Thomas. Thanks for logging on to ABC15.com. Another record-breaking day here in the valley and across many areas of the state as the excessive heat warning. Those temperatures between 110 and 120 continue across not only the valley but much of Arizona. We still have heat advisories in effect through tomorrow as well up across northern Arizona. So as you look at the valley with me today, we did top out officially at 117. New record for today. Previous record 115 from 2008 and a record morning low, warm low of 90 degrees. So remember, as we're in the stretch of this heat wave, to continue those heat safety rules, continue to practice those, stay inside between the heat of the day. And really when temperatures are this hot pretty much all day long, we are looking at the need to really be inside in the AC. But if you have to get out around sunrise or after sunset, keep your pets inside too. Make sure that they're cool, they have shade, they have plenty of cool water. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water yourself, staying hydrated, and remember to check on your elderly friends, your neighbors, and your family members as the stretch of warm temperatures, hot temperatures continues across the valley. Very warm tonight, 88 degrees in Phoenix. We'll keep our light winds tomorrow, though we'll be shy of the record by only 2 degrees. 114, a very hot afternoon on the way tomorrow. 113 Chandler. Mesa, you're down to 85 tonight. 113 for a high in Scottsdale, waking up to 85 degrees as well. Tomorrow headed up to 113, 114 afternoon high in Glendale, Goodyear, and Deer Valley, headed down to 84 tonight, and then you're back up to 113 tomorrow. As you look at the futurecast with me, we have had showers and thunderstorms across eastern Arizona. Things become a little bit more quiet tomorrow and Friday, but then as we get into the weekend, we see a little bit of that moisture return, and we will be looking for the threat of showers and thunderstorms to return north, east, and southeast. So something to keep an eye on if you're going to be traveling around the state. In addition to the heat, 56 in Payson tonight, 63 Sedona, 89 in Bullhead City, waking up to 83 in Gila Bend. Highs tomorrow, 119 Bullhead City, 92 in Flagstaff, Kingman at 107, 111 in Gila Bend, and Phoenix, again, we will be up to 114. And as you look at the extended forecast, really going to be right in that ballpark through the rest of the weekend. Excessive heat warning continues for the valley till Sunday. A little relief in the temperatures next week. We'll be looking at 108 by Wednesday with morning lows in the mid to upper 80s.